Hi parents. Okay, I'm going to share with you how you can actually submit your children's work to me via WhatsApp. Okay, this number is just a spare number, so I won't be using it for communication purposes. Okay, if you want to reach me, the best way is the Plus Dojo. All right, so look for this app and look for this app and download it on your phone. Fast Scanner, free PDF scan. All right, on your Android phone. Okay, once you open the app, this is what you will see. So I need you to tap on Allow. Okay, moving on. Once you tap on allow, you tap on the camera button to start. Okay, next step, you can actually take a picture of your child's work. You have to do it page by page. This green border, okay, dotted border will actually appear around the worksheet. Okay, just make sure that you adjust it so that the worksheet, is inside the green dots. Okay, and you tap on the tick. Okay, moving on. Okay, next step, you will see this thing at the bottom. Okay, if let's say your child's work is really light, you can actually tap on the extreme left button to make the work look darker. All right, and then if not, you can just select photo. Okay, next step, you tap on tick. Okay, moving on. Once you do this, okay, before you actually um, tap on the plus to add more pages, they'll ask you to enter a document name. So you can just add in like Maths Worksheet 1 or Maths Worksheet 2. Okay, and then you press OK. Okay, so then after that, you go to the same process again. Okay, you click and then you select, whether you want it dark or just photo, and then on the tick again. Okay, then if let's say you have 4 pages, of course, you will see 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for my demonstration, I'm just using 2 pages. Okay, next step, what you need to do is you need to click on this right at the top of your screen, okay, which allows you to share. So you click on sharing, okay, and then you reach this page. Once you reach this page, file type will already be PDF. If not, you have to change it to PDF, and then WhatsApp. Okay, then after that, you can just send it to me. Okay, so and I should be able to receive the homework. Right, thank you.